Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, it is also known as hunger tags. So these are tags that are able to navigate you to another uh, platform or to another, actually they link you to another page. Now, for example, I've edited this one and we want this one. When we click at the My School app, should send us to the application or to the my website where we have the notes and also the Django web development. When we click this one, it should take us to where the to my YouTube channel where we have all the videos about the course of involving web development. Now let's get started. Now, when you look at this and when you run this one, use this development server at hypertext protocol 127.0.0.1 8000. You click on it, it open and it bring you this. When you see this, it's just default. There is no hunger tag, nothing that is here. So in the books and teachings, when I click on my I want to make this one an hunger tag that can direct me to this particular website. So what do we do that? How do we go about that? First, let's come here, open our HTML, and this is our project. Now there is Anchor Tank, and Anchor Tank, you can get Anchor Tank by typing A. Let's Control X to cut this, and I want to show you another way you can get Anchor Tank. So you can type R and press enter, and you see this. This is HREF, and these are refer to this page. Then we can say our thing is still uh, the hunger tank, the list. We can do away with this li and this li, and then we can control S to save our changes and come here and refresh. You see, now it is purple, and it is purple because it has not been clicked. When you click it, it changes the color from purple to blue. So, but even if I click it now, it is direct me nowhere. So let's see where it should direct us to. This one, we need to click it and direct us to the web page, right? So let's see how it's going to be done. So here we are going to actually do this. Yeah, and I want us to refer this where we are going to, when you click my school app, where you should be directed to, and I can come here and search my school, this one, and I can copy this and I can Control C And when I control C, I come here and control V to paste. And yes, let me add S here. The S here, it is showing this link is safe. When it is not safe, it is going to give us the minus S. So S is important to show that HTTP is secured, and therefore we can control S and come here, where is that? Come here to personal site and refresh the page. And when you click here, it should direct us to the page. Let's see. Yeah, and it has come. It has directed us to this page. This page is actually, by the way, let me show you something here. You can post your question in my website, this website. And when you post the question in this website, what you need to do is simple. So here you just come here and click on uh, login. And when you click on login, you are going to be directed to this one. And if you are a member, you can use the username and enter password. So username is the name that you use, or for example Chalo Modui Chalo, and password is a password like your phone number and anything according to the website configuration. So you cannot just enter all numbers here. You have to change the number and mix them with the let's say um, digit and some unique character for to strengthen the password. Now I want to show you how to sign up. When you come here, you get to sign up, and you sign up like that. Username, you can use username such as, for example, you can use such username such as ABC. You can say password, and password, it can be anything like your phone number. For example, mine is 07 170 61 101. That is fictional. Don't use it, and you think you will be getting me. Then, no, that is not the one I wanted. So let's use a very simple password for everyone to get. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and dot. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and dot. Then you register. When you register, you can see your password can't be too similar to your other personal information. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. Your password cannot be commonly used password like 123, and your password can't be entirely numeric. So you have to cook the password which is good so that you can do that. So let me create something that is unique, and I repeat it again. So I'm not going to say anything. register. And yes, you are being told welcome ABC because my username is ABC. So you can come here, and if you want to create a post, you can come here and you see create a post here. You click on create a post. And then you click on create a post. You can come here and you create a post. For example, I'm the host, MBC. This is MBC. Then department, I am in the ICT department, science, humanities, ICT department, and the title is web development. And the topic is anchor tag. Anchor tag and subtopic is HREF. And then you say HREF used to navigate user to a certain page, and full stop. HREF is used to navigate user to a certain page, and you come here and I want to share it with admin, and Caro, this one is student. No, let me share it with admin. Then I submit. So when I submit, I can see now posted by ABC 0 minutes ago, ICT department, and you can edit or delete. So this was a purpose of showing you how you can be asking me question through this channel or through this website, and therefore you can delete. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this one, and I will delete it. I will confirm deletion, and then it's all right. It has been deleted. Not there now. That is how you can get to this website, and how can this website help you when you get stuck. You can directly post the question here, and others can assist you. Like this one was posted by this quiz blah blah from geography from 4 fishing, and what was about the problem facing fishing in Kenya, posted by that one, and it was 4 months ago, and it was in Department of Humanity. So you can do that and you get assisted. Now let's go back to our Django project. Now I can also uh, show you another example of this one, and this one is going to our let me cut it first like that, and then I do paste it here, and then this one href, when do I want this to get? I want it when you click on Django web development, you go to the my channel and get all the actually the my playlist of the web development, and that is going to be found in YouTube, and my YouTube channel is YouTube channel like that, and you just search here edu 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 educar updates, educar updates, and search that one inside the YouTube, and you see this is my logo. This is my logo. Just click on this logo, and you can see there is some, this is home, but I want you to come to the playlist, and in the playlist we are we are on right now. Right now as we talk, by the way, we have data analysis with the Python and pandas that we shall come later, but still you can see this is just an introduction part of it. So I want everyone comes here when he when he click on the web development on other side, and they should be seeing all this. You should be seeing all this Django development part 1, that is about setting up VS Code, Git, and Python. Part 2, not suitable for beginners. If you are a beginner, please just skip part 2. But if you are not beginner, you can also take that. If you are a beginner, just skip part 2 and come to the part 2b for the beginners, which is suitable for beginners. Then part 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this channel is going to be actually continuing. So this one, you can come here. Okay, so what I wanted is I wanted you to come in this playlist, and that one I can do like that. I can do like this, and Control C for copy, and come here, and I come here and I say Control V, and I Control S to save, and then I will I will be I will come back to here, and I run this one again, and yes, but you see this one are now on horizontal, which we don't want like them to be like that. So what we do, this one, give it a go, try to whether you can make it to go next line, Django web development. So how to do that? Remember we talked about the closing, self closing tag, and one of them was br. Br is closing tag, and br just end everything, and everything after it goes to next line. So Control S to change the changes, and come here and refresh our page. And yes, you can see now we have books and teachings, my app, Django web development, and Django documentation. So this one, let me delete it. Let me delete that one because it is not rhyming with others. And when I delete it, I Control S to save changes. I come to the web page, I refresh, and yes. So when you click on this web development, it is taking you direct to the playlist, right? To the playlist whereby we are talking about part 1, part 2, all the way to part 15, and therefore this is just an advertisement. You can skip, and you can increase the volume to listen. Yeah. All right. So that is how you can get that. So that's actually how we use the hunger tank and the HREF in doing that. So apart from that, we can also use this to create another page. All right. So we have this page about HTML, and this right now has got just this one. So we can also make this one uh, an omp, and we cut this. You can just cut all this, Control X to cut everything, and come here, and it's about, and it's about what? It's about my hobbies, right? So it's about hobbies, and you can Control V, and because it's about hobbies, you can come back to home, and you create a anchor tag here, which is A, and hit enter, and and this one you say about.html, and they should be my hobbies. My hobbies. So when you let me just say capital H here. So you can Control S, and you refresh the page. Wait, that page. Let me start here. Let me start here, and I run the server. I say Python manage.py run server, and you click on this protocol, and yes, you can see this is blue. When we click this one, it will change the color to purple, and it is going to give us some error that page not found, blah 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 blah. I know this why the reason is this, and the reason why this is that we have not followed the instructions from the static. So, and this is a big topic. I will show you as we shall be navigating to that. So because of that, I want to I want to I want to get back and undo everything. It was like that before. So and I come here about, and I undo it also. So I Control S. I come here, I Control S, and I come here, and I come here, I run this server, and yes, it has come. Now This one, navigating the page within a page, it is a very big topic that we shall be discussing later in the lessons, and actually we shall be discussing it more in backend when we shall be dealing with the database. But for now, it's best to know that we can navigate. We can use anchor tag to navigate to the various parts of our website like that. Now, um, yeah, that is for today, and I want to wish you very best. Read about all this. Keep practicing because there is nothing which is easy. There is nothing that comes easy, and struggling is good. So please, if there is something that you get not to understand, you can Google it or you can text me in my website as I've shown you. You can register. Registering is free. You can register to my website and then you give me text and you text me where you have problem. I will reply your text within 24 hours. Or if you find me not replying within 24 hours, you can retext that text again to come on the top of all other messages. So having said that, I want to wish you very best and we meet next time while refreshed. Thank you and goodbye.